guys, welcome back to my channel once again, Abhilashabi43. And I'm sorry guys, I forgot to say you the footpeg issue on the previous video. So yes, there is a footpeg issue. I have got a solution for that. Let's see. Yes, this is the solution. Okay, so this is the extra footpeg, custom footpeg I have ordered on Mumbaikar Boy YouTube channel, Mumbaikar Boy. So he have sent me this footpeg and it works excellent. Without this footpeg, the foot may touch on the silencer and it may burn your shoe or slipper or your foot too. And also it doesn't look like a custom one. Can you see that? So I'll just sit on the pillion seat. The bike is in standstand. So if I sit here, yes, I'm on the edge of the seat. So I'm sitting very comfortable. So I don't want to scare that I want to burn my shoe or whatever, so it blocks me. So this is very useful. If you want to try this, just contact Mumbaikar Boy, and his contact is in my description. So hope this video is used for the Interceptor owners or for those guys who are going to plan to buy this beauty beast Interceptor. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Catch you on next video. Until then, bye bye. This is just a quick video. I forgot to mention this footpeg issue on the previous video. That is the reason. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Catch you on next video. Until then, bye bye. Love you guys.